My name is Bitsy Hamilton. I'm a life coach, and I mostly work with clients going through major life transitions. So many of us are out there we try to do everything on our own. We try to bootstrap it. And there comes a point where bootstrapping it doesn't get you where you want to go anymore. I would say the biggest results for me is knowing that my website is truly aligned with the clients I am trying to reach, and it's aligned with the services I provide. It is a sense of relief as well as confidence. I don't feel like I need to go back into my website and constantly tweak or adjust. I know that it is done correctly and I can leave it alone, which is really, really nice. That way I can go focus on my work. It is 1,000% worth the money. It is an investment. Yes, it is an investment. And it's one that is worth making. I was entering a very new stage of my career as I become a TEDx speaker and launch a book. And I realized that the website that I had designed myself did not match that level of professionalism that I needed to present to the world now. So it was behind where I was in my career. And I knew that in order to elevate that, I needed to talk to and work with an expert. It felt a little bit disappointing. And it was just something that I don't have the time to devote to it. It's not my area of expertise. And for me, it was kind of that like bag of papers you don't want to look at in your closet. It's like, it's there. I know I need to pay attention to it. I need to do something with it, but I don't know what to do with it. And I don't really want to address it. I don't really want to look at it just because it felt overwhelming without putting a lot of additional work and research and time into something that, quite frankly, I don't want to be an expert in and take time away from clients and writing my book and just living my life. It's like, I don't want to spend the weeks that it would take me as a non-expert to go out and do that. Because there's a point when you start your career where, sure, that homegrown website is fine. But as you move forward in your career, your website needs to reflect that as well. My favorite part of the process was Chris's ability to distill down my work into a very easily consumable message for my potential clients. For me, it was the clarity that came from going through the questions that you asked. It's like, these are not things I would think of necessarily, but it really helped me hone my messaging in a way that I hadn't had before. So it's not only, I think that's one of the great things about working with you. It's not just, hey, I'm going to build you a website. It's, hey, I'm going to show you how to really craft your message and make it accessible for people, make it clear and easy. And you're able to take what I do and my way and then really put it into a more consumable format for potential clients and the others that will see my website. If I had a friend that was on the fence about working with you, my advice to them would be hop on a call with Chris, look at the websites that she's done. You will come away feeling like you have a partner in this, that you will be reassured and you will feel good about it. So, understand that you're hiring an expert. Do that. Please do that. It is well worth the investment.